Check out these consistent characters I created using Canva within 30 seconds. In this video, I'll walk you through the simplest tutorial for creating such consistent characters for animated videos, book illustrations, and other creative projects. So let's jump right in. Head over to Canva's website. I'll start by creating a new design. You can either choose from the preset dimensions or enter your own. I'll be using 8.5 x 8.5 inches for this design. Once that's set, our page with the correct dimensions loads up. Now, if you look at the left toolbar, you'll find the Apps section. Click on it and search for Magic Media. Open the Magic Media app, where you can enter a prompt for text-to-image generation. I've already prepared a prompt for the character I want to create. Keep in mind, though, there's a 280 character limit when entering prompts in Canva's Magic Media. If you exceed this, the extra text will be cut off, so be sure to keep your prompt concise. There is a secret prompt formula that I use every time for my creations, and it always works great. I have also added this in description below. We can randomly choose any numbers for the seed and then stay consistent with it for the next of our generations. Also, since we are generating consistent characters, we can add this keyword in our prompt too. We'll go for this prompt. Now, let's go ahead and generate the image. As you can see, the details are incredible. Everything looks amazing. For the second image, the key thing to remember is to include the seed number provided earlier. By adding this seed number to your next prompt, it ensures consistency for the generated character. The code should remain constant for any of your future image generations for this project. You can still modify the prompt to change specific aspects of the image. For example, in this case, I've adjusted the scenery and the girl's expression using the following prompt. And there it is. The image has been generated, and it looks like something straight out of a classic American animated movie. By using the same seed, it has produced a nearly identical character, but in a different setting. Let me spread the images out on the page and do a quick review. As you can see, the consistency across the generated characters is impressive. You can also click Generate More like this to create additional images. This time, I'll change the scenario slightly to add a bit more variation. I am entering this prompt for that. AI can sometimes struggle with complex images, like playing with toys, often mixing up the small details. But let's see how Canva's Magic Media handles it. And there it is. Surprisingly, Canva's AI worked. It's magic, this image turned out perfectly, with no noticeable errors. You can enhance the prompt by switching playing with her toys to something like playing a guitar. Here, we got the guitar image. I love how it presents the expressions of the girl, depending on each of the activities she does. Each generation in Canva's Magic Studio uses 1 credit. Free plan users get 50 credits for the lifetime of their account, while pro users receive 500 credits per month, offering more flexibility and creative freedom. Once you've created your consistent character, it's time to refine the details and make adjustments to perfect the look. Canva's Magic Studio offers several powerful tools for this, so let's walk through how to use each one effectively. For example, this Magic Grab tool. It can help us adjust the character's pose. All you have to do is just click and drag to move the character's limbs to a different position. You can make it wave or point, while keeping the overall body consistent. You can follow the way I'm doing this, like I can move this toy from this place to here. Then there's also this Magic Expand tool. This tool magically expands and adjusts the proportions of your character, ensuring that everything looks balanced. Here, as you can see how much detail it added to the girl's bedroom. Next, let's explore Magic Edit. This feature allows you to make detailed adjustments to specific aspects of your character, like the hairstyle. Next, we have the Magic Eraser. This tool is perfect for removing any unwanted elements from your character's design or background. Simply click on the area you want to erase, and the Magic Eraser will clean it up smoothly. For instance, I found something unusual in this image and decided to remove it, like this button from her orange frock. Finally, we have the Background Remover tool. This is especially useful when you want to place your character in different settings or need a transparent background for additional design work. To use the background remover, select your character and click on the BG Remover option. To improve your image further, you can place your consistent characters into Canva's pre-made templates. For example, I found a template I really liked and wanted to fit my character into its background. The character image with the background removed was particularly useful for this step, as it made it easy to blend the character seamlessly into the new setting. Next, you can fine-tune it by adjusting the brightness and adding filters to match the surrounding design. Canva automatically detects and removes the background, leaving you with a clean, cut-out version of your character. Once you've finished creating a consistent character, it automatically gets saved in your Canva library, allowing you to return later to make more changes or download it whenever you need. As you make adjustments, keep in mind that each change should help your character appear more consistent. Take your time, use the tools to resize parts, adjust proportions, tweak facial features, and change poses until everything looks just right. The goal is to keep refining and making small tweaks until your character matches exactly like you expected it to be. And there you have it. By following this method, you can create and use these consistent characters for a variety of purposes, whether it's for marketing, content creation, animation, and more. I particularly liked the magic background feature. It makes it super easy to fit characters into different backgrounds, making your designs look even better and more consistent. If you liked this video, you'll also enjoy this tutorial where I show how to create consistent characters using a free image generator.